we have multiplication of rational numbers. So first, we have to check the signs. We have negative number, and when we don't have any sign, it's positive. So we have negative times positive give you always negative, and we have again negative sign. So let's memorize. Negative times positive give you negative. And now we have negative times negative. It's the same like for integer numbers. The same rule. Negative times negative build one positive sign. When you have negative times positive or positive times negative, is always negative. So negative times negative is positive, so we have positive sign, and we have to multiply fractions. 2 over 3 times 1 over 4 times 3 over 7. Now we can take down the parentheses, so this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. And next, first we check if we can reduce something. We reduce numerator with denominator. We have 2, 3, 4, 7. We can reduce 2 only with 4. 2 divided by 2 give me 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. We divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So we divide by 2. Numerator by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 4 by 2 is 2. And next we have also 3 and 3 in denominator. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We reduce numerator and denominator by 3. And next we can do multiplication. Like I said, positive sign we don't have to write. We have 1 times 1 times 1. We multiply fractions. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 1 times 2 times 7 is 14. So we have first solution. And the second, first we have to calculate the sign. We have positive number times negative. Like I said before, when we have negative times positive or positive times negative, the same like for integers, the answer is negative. So it will be negative sign, and here we don't have any sign. It means it's always positive when we don't have sign. So we have negative times positive. Negative times positive is negative, so we have negative sign, and we have to multiply numbers. 4 times 3 over 4. We can take down parentheses now. Times 5 over 3. So this is equal. We copy negative sign. We will change 4 to fraction because we have fractions. So we have 4 over 1. We write always whole number over 1 to make fraction. Times 3 over 4 times 5 over 3. Negative sign we copy. First we check when we have multiplication of fractions if we can reduce something. How we reduce? We divide numerator and denominator by the same number. We have 4, and in denominator we have 4. So we can divide by 4. It would be 1 and 1. And we have 3. 3 we can reduce with 3. We divide 3 by 3 as 1. So now copy negative sign. 1 times 1 times 5. We multiply fractions. Numerator times numerator. Denominator times denominator. So 1 times 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Negative sign we copy. 5 divided by 1 is 5. This is my solution.